I was literally just pulling it out right now.
Really?
I mean, I was in the process of it, but...
You need to put it on me so I can hold my earring.
Okay.
Because if not,
That's perfectly fine.
it's put my earring
No,
out.
yeah,
I really don't want us to have to go to the hospital. I'm good.
You got it. There you go. Trying to figure out how to get this on you without strangling you. Alright. Pull it tight. Perfect. Everything else I can leave.
Figure out how to turn it up.
Throw my battery in my pocket so I have that. Now, you gotta listen to this thing. This thing's crazy when you start it up. I'm kidding, obviously. This thing's kinda quiet. Alright. Did you get the gloves on? No tomfoolery. We'll be taking it easy.
What do you mean tomfoolery do you think I'm gonna do?
Well, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about myself. I'm more like talking to myself in this. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Chill the fuck out. No reason to go fast.
Jesus. To go a little fast.
Don't tempt me with a good time. Bad.
How fast did you hit with me last time on the back?
140. Not doing that again. Not doing that. We're not doing.
I was asking.
Alright, you know how to hop on?
Yes.
There you go. Excellent. You didn't mess it up. And away we go. And away we go. Let's try not to fuck up our buddy's bike.
You or me?
I'm assuming all three. The bike, you, or myself. Because you have my back protector right now.
It definitely feels different
What, this bike?
than yours.
It's actually not as bad as I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a lot worse, but this bike is fun as hell. I missed it a lot.
Jesus.
Come on, it's not that quick. It's a lot slower than my other bike.
No, when you hit it, these boats don't really have grip.
No.
So I'm trying not to hit you too hard.
Oh, they didn't wave. What a piece of shit. Come on.
I'm pissed at this car.
Oh, okay. Oh no, dude.
Oh.
Oh my god, I just realized that.
Did he hit a tree? Car smoking.
I'm gonna go pull up right here. See if they need some help. Here, you can get off. Alright, put the bike down. Wait right here.
I'm coming with them, not people.
Is everyone okay? Oh, fire station is right there. You guys don't need any. I saw the smoke and
We saw the car. You okay, honey?
So she studies nursing, so I think she.
Is your head hurt? Did you hit anything? No. Did you hit anything in your car when you hit
I didn't even know. I was coming from that way. I didn't even notice. Wow.
No, I didn't see it either.
Call your mom.
Wow.
You want to call your mom? No, there's your phone right down there, honey. Go ahead. Call your mom. Let her know you're okay. Listen. Oh, car can be replaced.
I didn't.
Car can be replaced. She's
I
not
mean-
gonna kill you. She's gonna be happy you're okay.
Must have happened right in front of us. I just wasn't paying too much attention. I probably got it on camera. How long ago did this happen? I might have gotten it on camera. I have a 360 on there. I can't look because it's actually my buddy's bike. It's his camera, so I can't access it. I can get someone's number and I can check when I get home. Like, it's my SD card, but it's not my camera, so I can't see it from my phone.
Here comes the fire. Breathe. Car can be replaced. You can't. See?
I got him right across.
The firefighter's probably gonna want to look at you. They're gonna want to look at you and make sure you're okay. But car can be replaced. You can buy new cars. Yeah. Looks like she hit it.
What's up?
Not how I expected, Nathan.
No, I did not.
She's freaking out saying her dad's gonna kill her, and I'm like, a car can be replaced.
I might have gotten it on camera depending on when it was it happened.
No,
No.
it's them. We just stopped because we saw it.
And I'm not sure. They might have cameras there too. I don't know. I feel awkward too because it's not my bike, so we weren't involved. So that's why I'm like, I don't know if I should. I can't pull it up right now, but I can get. It's my SD card, so I can see it when I get home. Sure, of course. It's red. Just be careful. We're good.
The car was smoking.
No kidding. Holy shit. How did we not? I can't believe I didn't notice that when I pulled up to the light. I was like, I noticed there was much of slick and oil on the road.
I saw that, but I wasn't.
No, that sucks. Fuck. What's up? I don't know.
Weird set of circumstances tonight.
So we either got the footage or we don't. 'Cause
Good. Alright, I'll tell you what, how about we put your name, phone number, and then you. That's fine. If we need it, we'll call you. Alright, be safe.
Yes.
Thank you.
I know.
this has been a night.
It's quite eventful. Well, this is what happens when you get on a bike.
Good night for a
Appreciate it,
video
yeah.
then.
That is crazy.
Actually.
Up on the same way. Yeah, semi-eventful.
It was. Watch how you get out of here.
I think he sees. Wow. I just pop a wheelie right in front of them.
Oh my god.
They literally got my name, dude, and my number.
Bad idea.
They know how to find me.
They do have your name and number.
I'll probably ask for my date of birth so he can look me up. Hey, you got a motorcycle endorsement there, buddy?
Do you have a plate number?
Yeah, not a good look. Onward, anyway. Anywho, Ryan's gonna see that and be like, what the fuck, bro?
He's gonna look at it and be like, what did you do?
You might know the area, though, so you might...
Ambulance and fire. He's gonna be like, what did you do? Did you wreck your bike?
Yeah, he's gonna be like, did you wreck my fucking bike, bro? I'm just waiting for that angry call.
Can he see the video from his phone right now?
It's not live. The only way you could be able to see it is if you were right next to it. Within Bluetooth range, but he's not, so there's no way.
So he's gonna have to wait till it. But I feel higher, like taller on this bike.
Yeah, you honestly, you sit a little bit higher than...
Like compared to yours, like your Triumph.
Ouch. No, I don't care.
Not like that. Oh my god.
I'm
What?
sorry. I'll pop some wheelies for you so that way you
Oh
can
my
sit
god,
lower.
I'm definitely gonna die if you do that.
Probably turn on my turn signal. Well, this person's turning with me, that's why, okay. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Watch this shift. Ah, butter.
What'd you do?
I just shifted. This throttle's a little loose.
I got hair on my face. I can feel it.
I always get hair on my face. It's just kind of part of the game. Oh, green light.
Like green light. No, that scared the fuck out of me.
We got a little bit of front wheel lift there.
I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Alright. I'm gonna chill.
I definitely like your bike better. I feel like I slip around too much on his bike.
It's got a really slippery rear seat.
Yeah, it's just why I'm like, I feel like I slip too much. On yours, I feel more stable. I watched that girl look back.
She wishing she was you.
You can wish all she wants. I'm on the back.
She's still gonna wish.
I smell weed.
I smell a lot of weed.
Woo, Target. You've been hitting every green light.
Yeah, what the hell?
Hell.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Boy, what the hell, boy?
Is that a police station?
That is a police station.
Oh, here goes, Strongsville Police. Kill you. I feel like Jesus. Oh, nice car.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Shit.
Aside from you almost killed me that one time.
I didn't kill you anytime.
My ass almost fell off the back.
I've been very nice.
My ass was like off the back of the bike, like fully. Like almost fell over the edge back of the bike.
Not my fault. You got a fatty?
You know I don't.
What'd you say?
I said you know I don't. Let's be real.
Hmm.
I can't give you a massage with these on. It don't work.
Why? Because the gloves are so thick?
Yeah, and
Just
I got.
Punch my back repeatedly. Hey.
There you go.
Hey, that works. It's doing something. My heart just stops.
Oh, please don't. I really don't want to have to use CPR for the first time. I've done CPR on someone and I'm kind of scared too. Really scared.
Well, just in the off chance that we do crash, I'll keep it in mind.
Yeah, but like, do you know CPR?
I don't fucking know CPR. Do I look like I know
I'm dead.
CPR?
Then I'm dead. You would live. I would be dead.
Actually, I used to be a Boy Scout.
A Boy Scout?
I was. I don't remember any of it, but they taught you how to do CPR.
Let me show you how to like tie knots and stuff.
Knots?
Knots.
Yes. Speak up.
Do you know how to tie those knots?
Yes.
How?
Vaguely.
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 The moon.
It's the moon. You want Taco Bell?
Taco Bell.
Yeah.
You want Taco Bell?
I don't want Taco Bell. No, it's terrible.
I eat Taco
I was just asking you if you wanted it.
No, the only time I eat Taco Bell is when I'm with Maddie. And even then, I just get like a freeze. Because I don't eat Taco Bell.
I feel like it's terrible. I'd never go. I go to Chipotle. It's cheaper anyway.
But you love Chipotle.
I love Chipotle.
I know.
Ate that breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There was a really pretty spot up here. If it was sunset, like you can't really see it at night. I think it's closed now, but that's where I was kind of trying to go, but we didn't really get to do this a little bit. My workout took a while.
You a what?
A what?
Hear what you said?
I said my workout took a little too long.
Ooh, Pulp.
I don't know what that is.
It's Red Bull.
Oh.
They gave me the sugar-free Red Bull the one day, and it was not good.
Not good. I don't get why people drink Red Bull. It's got sugar in it. Why not, like,
I
so
don't
many,
normally drink Red Bull.
caffeine options that are like way better. Have like more caffeine in them. I don't know. Why not go for one of those? Like Monster.
Thick thighs. Thick thighs, thick lads. Have bigger thighs than me.
Hey, I've been cycling all summer.
I don't really slip on your bike.
Yeah, because it's got a little bit higher quality, like textured leather and like all that stuff. It's like this bike, brand new, when it came out, was like 13,000. The bike that I have that you rode on was brand new right now. Is 21,000.
Oh, okay.
So it's you get a lot different
That's the big thing I noticed is like I slip that more.
Well, this bike also doesn't have a quick shifter. It doesn't have a screen. It's missing a lot of stuff.
Do you like your bike better or his?
I like my bike better.
You got so close to this car.
What car are you gonna get next?
You or me?
You.
I don't know. I gotta get my big girl money first.
You gotta get that nursing money.
Big girl money.
Hell yeah. My mom's a nurse. I would kind of know.
Me and your mom we were talking about that.
I remember she liked you.
Did she really?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I hope she did. I hope it made a good impression. It's very sweet. You did get really nice parents. They were really sweet. Yeah, I definitely like your bike better.
Barely even used any fuel.
I like the way your bike rides. Like, I don't flip. Your bike, kind of more my thing.
That dude kind of did pull out in front of us, but, well.
What were you saying about dinner?
Let's go to a restaurant.
What?
I said, let's go to a restaurant.
Oh, yeah, like a sit down, like a nice dinner?
Yeah.
I'm down for a nice dinner.
I know a really nice place.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Don't tell me. I want to be surprised.
Okay. It's like, it's expensive as fuck, but it's like not so fancy that you have to wear like a suit and tie.
But, like, look nice type vibe.
Yes, it's very nice.
Okay, so...
I'm not really a suit and tie type of person.
Look good in a suit.
No, fuck no. I don't my hair.
No. Like, how men think, like, women in lingerie look, the equivalent is a man in a suit.
Okay, well, I haven't seen you in lingerie yet. And you haven't seen me in a suit yet, so...
True. Very true. Oh, biker.
What?
I saw a biker.
Oh, I'm sorry. Shit, I didn't see him. Fuck.
Ah, I missed him.
You hear the little pops this bike makes? It's so cute. I love it.